my channel, Crafting Minds with a K, and today we are going to be crafting double fishtails. We're going to be using the blue and the orange for our double fishtail, and we're going to find the safety peel and get a little bit, not a lot because we're not going to use a lot. We're going to get a little bit of each color. Close those up. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you want to get a little more than what you would get for a normal fishtail, because each time that we do one color, it's going to require 2 bands, like so. 2 bands for each color, but on the first color, it's just going to be 1 band. Now that we have all of our rubber bands, we're going to stop here at our first little line on our wrist, and you want to make a figure 8 like I just did. So my first color is blue, so I'm going to take 2 of our next colors, and I'm not going to make any more figure 8s after that. And then I'm going to take 2 of my next colors, which is just blue and orange. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to loop the bottom band into the middle on each side. Take that off, move my bands down so that they do not fall off. And then whatever color is on the bottom, that color is going to be on top. So it's not blue, blue, orange, or orange, blue, blue. And then we're going to do the same thing over and over until you get all the way down to here. Okay, now that we're done, we can see that it is to my wrist. It's equivalent to about here. So to finish this bracelet off, what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and we're going to take our bottom band and we are going to hook. We're going to hook them in the middle, like so. It's a little hard to get the right position so you can see, but I can describe it. So we're going to hook those in the middle, pull down, and then we're going to take our index finger and put it to our middle finger. So now it should just be like this. Okay, so this is when we're going to need our C-clips. Take a C-clip, we just need one. And we're going to take the bottom of our band, the bottom of our bracelet, and we are going to hook. We're going to hook it, which this process can be hard, so just be patient. And then now we're going to stretch this band out, and we're going to get all 4 of those rubber bands on. And now it is a full, complete fishtail.